Okay, here we are, post 6th coat of flaxseed seasoning, having been cooked on. This is my brother's cast iron chef's skillet. You can even see where that little imperfection was originally. The inside of this is just barely rough. It's very, very similar to the feel of a Teflon pan. Teflon pans are almost smooth when you touch them. They just have a very slight roughness to it. This kind of feels the same way. So, doing very well here. Pan's got gorgeous color. It's almost black. It's got a slight brownish in this light, brownish tinge. So I'm going to put a single coat of vegetable shortening on this. And I'm just going to lob off like a couple tablespoons, or maybe a tablespoon and a teaspoon, something like that. Pan's warm enough, it should melt it. And then cook that on, and tomorrow morning when this pan's done, we'll make our first egg in it. I'm just putting a single coat of vegetable oil on as a way of sort of sealing in this patina, this surface. The vegetable oil will actually be the easiest thing to have scraped up or dissolved by any cleaning. But this coating should hold on really well. So we'll see you when we're ready to fry an egg.